After you've signed in, you'll see your name icon in the top right corner. If you don't know how to sign in, go to accounts.google.com and there you can sign in or create an account. To go to Google Drive, we're going to click the Apps menu next to our icon. It will open up all the Google apps. You will find the icon for Google Drive and click it. You'll be taken to your Google Drive homepage. There are two ways to use documents. You can create your own documents, or you can upload existing documents. To create a new document, press New, and then choose the type of document you'd like to create. A new tab will open for your document, so you can always go back to your drive by using the different tabs. I'm going to name my document by clicking in the title, selecting the text, and replacing it with my document name. Then I add the body text, and when I'm done, if I'm connected to the internet, all I have to do is close the tab, and it will automatically be saved to my Google Drive homepage. If I have a document on my computer, maybe someone sent it to me or I've downloaded it from the internet, I can add this to my Google Drive so all of my documents stay in the same place. To upload a document, I press New, File Upload, and then I choose the location of the file on my computer. This one's in my downloads. I would like to upload my resume. Select and open. And it's appeared in my drive. Once you have many files, you'll need to organize them and manage. To do that, you can create folders. To create a folder, press New, Folder, and name the folder. The folder will appear just above my files on my Google Drive homepage. Moving files into folders is easy. I just click, hold the click, and drag it until the file is selected. Then I let go of the click. The file has disappeared from my homepage, but that's because if I double click on the folder, it's moved into my work folder. To go back to my Drive page, I can use the navigation at the top here, or I can select My Drive on the left navigation menu. If I want to move the file back out of the folder, I can just click, hold the click, drag the file over to my drive, and drop it.